Apartments. Creative apartment with functional stylish design. The LK apartment project, signed by Oficina Conceito Arquitetura, was completed in 2021 in Porto Alegre, Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil. The project included the renovation of an apartment with an area of 398 m2 of irregular layout with the creation of residual spaces that require special attention and architectural solutions to optimize the layout and ventilation. In addition, all the rooms were diagonally crossed by reinforced concrete beams, which also required some design interventions. In this case, the architects decided to hide them under the plaster, leaving the plates visible only in functionally suitable places. The apartment is divided into two zones, a living room consisting of an open-plan living and dining room, and a large well-equipped kitchen, and a sleeping area consisting of 4 bedrooms with bathrooms. The entrance area has an elegant decorative wall of rotating wooden boards, which makes the large dining area on the other side private. A sliding glass door connects the dining room with the kitchen and dining area. Cozy and elegant spacious living room. The large natural wood wall panel includes a luxurious wood-burning fireplace and a TV. The greatest interference in the internal program affected the balconies, which were closed at the request of the customer. This type of work turned out to be the most difficult, as it could lead to aesthetic changes in the facade of the building, which was unacceptable. In addition, design solutions were needed to integrate new spaces with existing ones. Oficina Conceito Arquitectura's strategy was to use black Portuguese stone on the floor of the living room and kitchen dining room, while preserving the appearance of the old balconies. The installation work for these floors was the same as for the exterior surfaces, except that hydrophobic resin was used to improve the surface properties. In the home office, the floors are covered with natural wood, as in the master bedroom, which allows you to walk barefoot in this intimate space. The interior is decorated with works of art placed in every corner of the apartment and received focal lighting. Stylish apartment with functional space in a modern style. The interior design of the apartment, developed by the architectural bureau Rigel and Beam, was made in Moscow in 2020. The apartment, with an area of 66 square meters, is located in a multi-story building of the residential complex Presnaya City and belongs to a young couple. The main desire of the customers was to create a spacious, maximally open and functional space in a modern style. On an area of 60 square meters, the designers managed to place all the functional areas necessary for a comfortable life. The apartment has a spacious entrance hall, a kitchen dining room, a bathroom with laundry and a master unit, which includes a bedroom, a living room, a bathroom and a living room. The bedroom is separated from the living area by a partition made of metal mesh, which allows, if desired, to close the bedroom and create privacy or, conversely, to move it to the wall and combine the two zones into one large space. At the same time, the lattice wall is perceived as an art object. To support this element in the overall design, the same fabric is used in the design of furniture for the kitchen, hallway and shower. Modern apartment in an equatorial climate. 3 Stages for Air Apartment is a modern apartment project for a young growing family, developed by Pencil Office and completed in Singapore in 2021. An area apartment is an ideal option for overcoming the difficulties associated with living in an equatorial climate. In order to ensure a comfortable life and enjoy all the features of staying at the equator, as well as to be protected from possible extreme situations, 3 levels of ventilation are designed in the apartment, combining the nuances of climate with family life. The apartment of 249 square meters has 2 independent entrances, which are located at ground level at opposite ends. One of them opens onto an open veranda, the other into the interior of the condominium, letting in tropical air and providing natural ventilation. The main living space is divided into 3 parts. Wrapped in wood, they divide the air into 3 volumes, each with 3 ceiling options. The kitchen has a lower and flat ceiling with the coldest air conditioning corresponding to its functionality. The other 2 sections of the ceiling of the living space are vaulted from perforated aluminum with gradient perforation filtering equatorial sunlight. The central volume mixes conditioned and unconditioned air and light. Several devices are used in the apartment for additional air modulation on all 3 stages. Air conditioners with gradient screens in combination with natural ventilation provide rapid cooling of the air even in the hottest hours of the day. Stylish wooden screens block the movement of light and air from outside to the center as needed and also block the view, creating privacy and preserving the privacy of the space. In addition, they serve as excellent acoustic filtering of all external sounds and noises. Fabric filters imitating light and sound create a comfortable atmosphere in the cabin, pleasant for rest and work. A simple and concise interior design using a minimal palette of colors and materials makes the climate the main character of the apartment. Versatile loft with flexible functional space. The King West Loft project, developed by Studio of Contemporary Architecture, SOCA, was completed in 2019 in the King West neighborhood in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. The apartment is located in the building of a former perfume factory, which was converted into apartments in the mid-90s. The project includes the renovation of a 109 square meter loft on 2 floors to create new additional spaces and improve the functionality of the apartment. The loft belongs to a young specialist who wanted to turn the previously open layout of the upper floor into 2 new bedrooms and an additional toilet, while maintaining the attractiveness of the city loft. The designers were faced with the task of renovating the apartment to meet the growing needs of the owner in the future, while maintaining a sense of spaciousness and openness with flexible modern spaces. The design of the attic focuses on a double-height room with a large window in the wall on the northwest side. The window provides the entire apartment with plenty of natural light and brings a sense of spaciousness and freedom to the interior. The 2 levels of the attic are connected by an elegant staircase with black metal steps and a stained oak railing in the front corner of the apartment by the window. On the first level there is a common open-plan area, living room and dining room, kitchen, located in front of the floor by the window with access to the balcony. At the end of the lower room there is a small entrance hall with a wooden rack base, a laundry room and a shower room. On the second floor there is a private area with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Initially, there was only 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom and 2 toilets on the upper floor. A sufficiently large area of the room, just over 6 meters, allowed for effective redevelopment and significantly increased the functionality of the room. A glass wall in the attic offers a view of the city landscape, and a light curtain provides privacy. The design uses a simple palette of materials. White walls and exposed concrete ceilings create a pleasant, relaxing atmosphere. In order to save the budget, many items and elements of the former minimalist interior have been modernized and reused, including cabinet shelves, kitchen cabinets, shelves, household appliances. The purpose of industrial lighting has been changed. The staircase design has been changed. Preserved, supplemented with new steps and balustrades. Simple changes have been made to the kitchen, including a bright yellow painted wall with stylish niches. A white oak partition separates the kitchen from the entrance. The apartment has a new white oak floor, which enhances the feeling of spaciousness and freshness. Given the small area of the apartment, a lot of emphasis was placed on the functionality of the design project. In addition to its main function of a seat, the bench in the living room serves as a partition that separates the entrance door and the women's toilet from the recreation area. There is also a place for shoes on the L-shaped bench. And oak panels with a large full-length mirror hide the dashboard.